Have you ever wondered what the differences between Windows and Linux are? Today, we're diving into the world of operating systems to explore the key differences between these two giants. Firstly, Windows is a proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. On the other hand, Linux is an open-source operating system kernel, with various distributions available, each offering its package management system and user interface. When it comes to user interfaces, Windows typically has a graphical user interface, with versions like Windows 10 providing a modern interface. Windows also supports a command line interface. Conversely, Linux offers a range of GUIs such as GNOME, KDE, or XFCE, but can also be used entirely from the command line. Many Linux servers run without a GUI to conserve resources. Now let's talk about costs. Windows generally requires a licensing fee, especially for desktop versions. Some server versions also require licensing fees. However, most Linux distributions are free and open source. Users can download, use, and modify Linux without paying licensing fees. In terms of software and application support, Windows has broad support for commercial software and games, especially for desktop versions. The Microsoft Office suite is widely used. Linux, on the other hand, has extensive open-source software support. Many server applications, web servers, and development tools are readily available. While Linux has made strides in desktop applications, some commercial software may not be natively available. Security-wise, Windows has historically been more susceptible to malware and viruses due to its widespread use. However, recent Windows versions have improved security features. Linux is generally considered more secure, particularly in server environments. The open-source nature allows for quick identification and patching of security vulnerabilities. When considering customization and control, Windows provides customization options, but some aspects are tightly controlled by the operating system. Users have less control over updates. Linux, however, is highly customizable. Users can choose from different desktop environments, package managers, and distributions based on their preferences. They have greater control over updates and system components. Finally, looking at usage scenarios, Windows is commonly used in desktop environments, gaming, and many enterprise environments. Windows Server is widely used in corporate settings. Linux is prevalent in server environments, cloud computing, embedded systems, development, and networking. It is also used on desktops, especially by developers and enthusiasts. In conclusion, the choice between Windows and Linux depends on factors such as specific use cases, user preferences, and organizational requirements. Many environments use a combination of both systems based on their strengths and suitability for particular tasks. So, there you have it. The key differences between Windows and Linux. Both have their strengths, and the choice will always depend on the task at hand.